Hi there, this is Sue Stapp, and I am here to share with you the cards that are made in the June workshop in the mail. And the first one is this lovely bird card, and on the workshops in the mail you get 4 card kits, and each kit includes an instruction sheet with a photograph of the project, and you can see on here that's an enlarged version. And to assemble this one, what we do, we take the base, which is Sahara sand, and we have balmy blue background, and then we're going to stamp on one of the white pieces. There's 2 of them in here, one's for the inside, and we're going to stamp on here. And then what I did was I tore around the edges to give that a ruffled look. And if you pull it towards you, you get a bigger area that's exposed, and it gives a little bit more dramatic feel. Now you can also take a sponge with a light taupe or brown and edge that to also make it stand out. And the sentiment I put on here is hope each moment of your day is as special as you are. And there's a scrap of white paper in here that you'll use to stamp the birdhouse, and then I just fussy cut that out. And it's a cute card, and it has a lot of birdhouses and nests and the big branch and stuff in the stamp set, and I think that you'd really like it. If you want more information, you can log on to my website, suestapp.stampinup.net, or email me at suestapp1@gmail.com. My web address and blog information is at suestapp.com. So I'm going to put these pieces and the instruction sheet and this extra white one in here for the inside back in the envelope. So that's the first card. Now, the card that is next is one that is done with watercoloring, and this is the Daisy background stamp, and it's called Daisy Garden, and it's all one stamp. And I stamped on StazOn ink on watercolor paper so that you can use your water brushes like these to paint on with your colors. And I use my stamp pads for the color on that. I also have my Stampin' Up! Watercolor pencils that I used for a sample. And I put a brown ribbon on this one. I also offer a light plum ribbon too, if you prefer. And this is Purple Posy. It's one of our retired colors, but I just love it, and I thought it went really well with this set. So that is card number 2. And the next one is a cute one. It says, thanks a bunch, and there's just a bunch of bananas here at the bottom. And this is a punch that we have included in here. And this is on the bright bumblebee cardstock, nice and bright yellow. And there's a piece of DSP in here, and that DSP is going to go on the front like so. And then you have 2 white pieces. The bottom, the thinner one, this narrower piece, is for the bottom with the bananas, and the top one is for the lady and the sentiment. And then there's a scrap of Misty Moonlight, and the Misty Moonlight is going to go right across here after you punch out the scalloped edges on the top and bottom of that. So that's a nice simple card. There's also a white sheet for the inside of the card. And I don't typically put sentiments on the inside so that you can use them as for what events you have coming up and who you'd like to send to. I like to put personal notes on my insides of my cards. Just think it's a great touch, and I can do, updates or just general feelings of, miss you, hope to see you soon. Now this is on a pool party cardstock, card number 4, and I'm highlighting what you can use, what you can do with DSP, what a great impact you can make with a card with DSP, which is what this is. And this is from our designer series paper, that's DSP. and I put that on the front, and I use the Feel Better Soon stamp that is from the Bunches of Fun stamp, which is also the banana card. And I think I would put this up here. Now you can put it wherever you want. I also have some pool party ribbon available that could go on here too if you wanted to put a bow on. But I thought the Feel Better Soon was a nice, I don't do a lot of get well cards, but it seems as though I'm having a lot of friends lately who are in the hospital or in having surgeries. So it's always nice to have those kind of things. So that's card number 4. So we have 4 great simple cards that you can do at your home, at your convenience, in your pajamas if you desire. And I will send these kits out to you if you are interested. The price is $15 for all 4 kits. And you can also attend a workshop where we make the cards, and I'll be doing that next Tuesday. That's June 15th. And if you place an order from me that day of at least $25, you get the 4 kits for free, and you make them here and enjoy the company of some really nice ladies. So we do have fun. That starts at 1 o'clock. And if you'd like to reserve a seat, let me know as soon as possible. I am limiting it since we're coming out of COVID. My restrictions are that I like to have only 4 per table. So I hope that this has given you some inspiration, and I'd love to have you join our group of ladies. And if you're interested in more Stampin' Up! Information or details, or would like some demonstrator information, we're always adding to our team. And it's a really fun way to spend some time and get creative and use your brain a little and meet nice people. I thoroughly enjoy it, and I hope to hear from you soon. So thanks for watching, and happy stamping.